We know that bushfires generate a large amount of smoke. We know that within that smoke there's a range of air toxics. I'm interested in one of those air toxics, which is the particles. I'm looking at the chemical nature of the particles and the different sizes. The main reason is that particles have been linked to different health effects. There's certainly an eye irritant and a nose irritant. Because of their small size, they can transport chemicals deep into the respiratory system, and they've been linked with different types of cardiorespiratory disease. To get a better idea about the chemical nature of the particles, I've gone about my experiments in two different ways. One is to conduct field sampling, and the other one is to conduct small-scale burns. With the field sampling, I've gone out to different burns throughout Australia and collected smoke samples, both on personal samples and also taking measurements on vehicles. For small-scale burns, I've taken small amounts of vegetation and I've burnt them under controlled conditions so as I can reduce some of the variability in my experiments and look at the different factors that may be affecting the emissions and also the chemical nature of the particles. Currently, there are no workplace exposure standards for bushfire particles. Knowing a bit more about the chemical nature of particles will allow fire agencies to help provide a better and safer workplace for firefighters, and also help health organisations provide information for communities that have been impacted by smoke from bushfires. In 5 years' time, I'm not really sure where I'm going to be or what I'm going to be doing, but I think I'd like to be working overseas, possibly in the UK or Canada. And yeah, I'd like to work in something that's related to smoke exposure in the fire industry, but I'm not really sure.